Yo, what's up guys? Good to see you. Jason Wittrock here. I got a killer ab routine that I want to show you guys here. This is an excellent routine for beginners or for advanced. Now listen, if you want to make this a beginner routine, you can simply do it on the floor, or what you see here is we have this incline bench. You can just adjust this to a slight incline. As you become more and more advanced, you can put it on a higher and higher incline. This really focuses on being able to control your abdominals, all right? Being able to do little half sit-ups here and there is fine, but when you master the negative portion of the rep and being able to control your abdominal wall is very, very important, guys, and that's what this routine does. So I'm gonna show you here the countdown sit-up routine. So first, you're just gonna pull yourself into the bench like this. Now listen, I'm gonna count from 10, and I'm gonna control the negative at a 10-second count, then I'm gonna go up, and then I'm gonna control down to a 9-second count, then back up, 8, you see all the way to, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice when I go back, I stretch out. That's because I want to stretch my abdominal walls as much as possible. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and then a full one, right? Just like that. Now listen, you can also double this bad boy up. So listen, anytime you want to work the top of your abs, you're going to take your chest to your knees like we were just doing. Now, if you want to work the lower part of your abdominal walls, you bring your knees up to your chest. So we're going to do the countdown sit-up routine, but we're going to do it reverse. So check this out. What I'm going to do, stay on the same bench. Preferably, it's nice to have a bench that has one of these things back here to help you hold on. If not, you can just grab this right here. So look, same thing, 10-second count. On these, you must make sure that your knees go towards your face, almost like you're trying to do a backward somersault. You really stimulate the abs when your back rounds, when your spine rounds over like that, all right? So here we go. Full stretch at the bottom, too. Full stretch, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out all your air on the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Give that a shot, guys. I promise you, if you can master that, your abs are gonna really pop. You're gonna be having a strong core. Thank you guys for watching. Keep up the good work and much love.